Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream. Okay, for the past 2 days already, I haven't been speaking with you guys. I'm so sorry. Because it is Thai Pusam, and then I went for like some prayers and all. I even did like that. How to say? If you guys don't know lah, we will actually be walking 2 days prior to Taipusam. Today is Taipusam, by the way, from KL all the way to Batu Cave, okay, barefoot. So we'll be walking. So that's what I did, and then I was in so much of pain also. Today, still curing from the pain. But that's the reason why lah. Actually, I haven't did a live stream yesterday and the day before. All right, but we're back today. All right, today we are back in action, and then I will be breaking down what are we actually seeing in the chart right now. This is BTC, by the way, guys. This is Bitcoin. Okay, recently Bitcoin has been dropping. Okay, it really dropped, but then right now, right, we are starting to see like bulls show their presence in the market, and they have been pushing price slightly up. I do understand we are still below the 100,000 range, all right, which is one of the range that we've been floating on for quite some time now. Okay, but then if you refer to this candle here, right, the low of this candle is 94,000. Hold on, I changed it. 94,650.1. All right, so basically that is the, I believe that's the lowest point. Let me check. Yeah, I think that's the lowest point. No. We have more here, guys. Okay, this one. 2 days haven't seen the market. Yeah, this is 91,156.9, guys. All right. From there, the market has been pushing up. All right. And right now, we are trending at 97,000. Okay. So bulls seems to be showing their presence lah, in the market lah, as of now. All right. And then I also drew this potential entry model. Okay, that we could potentially be seeing us take. Okay, so what I can see right now, right, okay, based on the bigger time frames, right, okay, let me explain. Explain, and then I'll go and get a glass of water, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, you guys just watch price for me. All right, but let me explain what am I seeing. Okay. Okay, so basically what I'm seeing is in our bigger time frame, right, in the H4 time frame, all right, I analyzed that price actually came and filled out a fair value gap. Okay, this is the part that I say fair value gap is being filled. Okay, and price is respecting this zone. Price is not really closing. This is not considered a true close. Okay, if the candle does this, right, for example, okay, so yeah. Imagine this is a candle. Okay, candle closes, and then we have another candle here. Okay, this one means okay lah. I can say lah, the candle actually disrespected the fair value gap. Okay, potentially we may be seeing a candle come back up. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, potentially we may see a candle come up, but then it may be just using this as a platform to push even lower. This could happen as well. For those that are confused, basically it looks like this. Okay, basically this is what I'm drawing lah. All right, but it needs to close below, and I need to see a follow-up candle. For me lah, this is based on my own trading strategy and SOP. It's not the only way you can do this. Okay, I mentioned this many times before. Trading is a Rubik's cube concept. All right, that means for us to actually solve a Rubik's cube, there's millions of combinations that we can use, but all of them will reach the same destination. Okay, so same thing for trading. All right, this is for based on my own concept and my own understanding based on my years of experience in trading. All right, so based on that, this is for me not considered a true close. True close, I like to label them as that true close. Okay, this one is just price came below, okay, close, but then see it went back up. This is for me is still considered as respect. Price still respecting this zone. All right, so this is one of the indicators that are telling me that we potentially are about to see a move up. All right, why, Guna? Why? You all must ask me this question. Guna, why you say potentially we may be seeing a move up? You see, all of this is moving down. Fair? You're correct. Okay? The major trend is still showing us a downtrend. Okay, I could be wrong. Okay, trading is not 100%, guys. But just based on what I'm seeing here, I am looking that price maybe might take out this H1 liquidity or even this H4, and then maybe we'll be seeing a move down. All right. So what are we looking at? See, this is what is happening right now. Okay, I start from here. Okay, price moves up. Okay, Price move all the way down. Okay, there's a lot of karate chopping style here happening. Okay, but then right now, okay, we're moving up. Okay, if I draw like this, okay, this is what actually happening lah. Okay, you guys might be confused. All right, so let me put this aside. Okay, I don't delete first. Okay, if I draw it more general, okay, this is general. What are we seeing? Let me put them side by side. Okay, what are we seeing? Okay, any of you guys tell me what are we seeing? This is a potential formation of a bullish trend, correct? So how is a bullish trend goes, guys? We have an impulse, we have a corrective, basically a pullback, and then we are potentially looking for another impulse, and then a pullback and an impulse. Okay, this is in a very perfect world. Okay, very beautiful world. This doesn't always happen. All right, this is what usually happens like this. Okay, but when you generalize the move, okay, it actually is this impulse, pullback, and now potentially you are seeing another impulse, potentially only. All right. Okay, like I said, I remind again, trading nothing is 100%. Okay, we are not financial advisors or anything. We are just genuine traders that are giving our own personal opinions to you on what we think the market will, or where we think the market will be heading to and why. Right, based on our own experience. Right. Always the priority also is protecting your capital, guys. Okay, this is always key. All right. Okay, so this is just one. Okay, I'm just saying that price is respecting this fair value gap and it already has filled it. Okay, why price fills the fair value gap, if you guys don't know, is because price does not like gaps. Okay, what is a gap, Guna? See, another question you guys might be asking me. What is a gap, Guna? This is a gap. Okay, if you guys are confused, why you say this is a gap, Guna? How about this? This is also a gap. Why you say this is a gap, Guna? Watch episode 3. Okay, I posted a video called episode 3 whereby I broke down the understanding of fair value gaps and why they occur and how you can actually identify them. Okay, they are very powerful tools, they are very important tools, especially into SMC style of trading. All right, my personal strategy is not solely based on SMC. I kind of mix SMC, ICT, okay, those concepts, and that's how my personal strategy was actually formed. All right, and you guys will learn my personal strategy also. No worries about that. Okay, so all I need you guys to understand right now is price filled the gap. Okay, once it filled the gap, price respected this zone and is making a move towards the upside. Okay, my personal trading strategy is I like to find liquidity areas. Okay, because I know price is magnetized towards liquidity. All right, so the closest liquidity range I can see is the H1 liquidity zone here. All right, and then the next one is this H4 liquidity zone here. Okay, this is basically the closest range. All right, so first analysis, price is respecting this fair value gap. All right, now we go small time frame. Let me show you guys even more. Okay, what can we see here, guys? I think it wasn't here. The one that I saw was actually in the 15-minute. All right, but this is what I noticed, that this is another fair value gap in the 1 hour time frame. All right, which has not been touched yet. Okay, so once price reaches that zone, then we will be able to identify if price is going to respect the zone and potentially move lower, because the overall trend is still towards the downside. You guys said this, right? Yeah, you guys said it's gonna. Overall, we're actually seeing downtrend, right? We're seeing a down. Hold on. Okay, we're seeing a downtrend. Right, then why you say potentially we're seeing bears? That's what potentially, guys. Okay, things can change because the foundation is starting to start right now. Right? I'm not saying 100% is going to change. That's why we need to draw out these sections on and understand what is price doing. Hence, price action, language of price. So this one, you see, this is the H1 fair value gap that I can identify, which price didn't tap into yet. Okay, so I want to see how price reacts upon this zone. If price disrespects this, okay, potentially this will be used as a platform, and potentially we'll be seeing this H1 liquidity being taken out. All right, vice versa. All right, if price comes into this zone, okay, fills it or at least mitigates the zone, respects it, then potentially we may be seeing move down. Okay, because there are also many forms of liquidities that price could potentially be heading to. There's also a fair value gap created here. So you see, So price could potentially come to fill up this gap. And then depending what price wants to do after this has been at least mitigated, then only will be able to identify the next form of action where price will potentially be heading to next. Okay. So this we just focus on here first. Okay, no need to focus on the very, very high ranges, the very, very low ranges. We focus on the now. Because why? We are giving predictions based on the intraday. Right? Intraday basically means what is about to happen. Because next session is what, guys? We are currently in what? I give you guys three, Asia, London, New York. Okay, which session are we currently in? Okay, don't worry, I will give you guys the answer. Okay, you guys can try if you want. I'll give you guys the answer. See? Okay, this is Asia. Right now we are currently in London. Okay, right now London session. New York basically starts at 9:30 lah. Okay, 9:30 p.m. Malaysia time. So that based on my 15-minute time frame, okay, I'm able to identify. What am I able to identify, guys? Okay, this was actually the fair value gap. Okay, that we were able to identify in the 1 hour time frame. All right, this is basically the fair value gap in the H4, whereby price respected. Don't worry about you seeing this big candle like, no, there got what one big candle close below. This is a smaller time frame, guys. Okay, there is always two things you must understand in trading. Okay, two things. There is one we call external structure and internal structure. Okay, do not let internal structure and external structure confuse your analysis. Okay, what you see in the bigger time frame stays in the bigger time frame. What you see in the smaller time frame stays in the smaller time frame. Okay, if you see the bigger time frame, price did not, okay, disrespect this fair value gap. When you go to smaller time frame, basically it will show you all of these areas of the candles being closed. Okay, see all of these wicks is being closed. It will show you in the smaller time frame. That's why you may think, okay, and get confused when you go smaller time frame. Hey, it's actually disrespecting already in the smaller time frame. The bigger time frame is not disrespecting the zone. What should I do? Don't get confused. Remember, external structure, internal structure. External structure, we usually refer to the bigger time frames. Internal structure, we refer to the smaller time frames. Okay, there's a reason why we have quite a few time frames, because we use some to analyze where overall trend is heading to potentially, and then our internal structure is basically for us to identify when is our potential and clean entry zones that we could actually potentially enter lah. Because why? We are trading intraday session. If you guys just solely want to focus on H4 daily 1 hour, can also. Okay, you just have to be patient now, because the opportunities don't always arise. All right, why, you may ask me again. Okay, always remember this, ask why. The more questions you ask, the more you learn. All right, the reason why is because each of these time frames represents how long a candle closes. Okay, at the same time. All right, at the same time, each of these candles, right, if they say 4 hours it takes to close, that means this candle carries 4 hours worth of data. Okay, the reason why you see this candle, let me light it up. Let me turn off this first, so then I highlight this candle, since this is quite low candle. Okay, okay, this is a bit difficult. Okay, highlight this candle here, then we go to the small time frame. I believe we were in the 15-minute just now, right? You see this one, this is the one that I highlighted. The reason why we can see candle closing is because each of these candle closes every 15 minutes. All right, vice versa. Actually, I shouldn't say vice versa, because this is not an opposite. Okay, coming back to this time frame, 4 hours. After 4 hours only, this candle will close. Okay, that's why the candle one in the 4 hours show it actually closed here, because it's bullish candle. Bullish candle will close here. All right, bearish candle will close below. All right, I understand if you guys are still confused, like, what does that mean? Candle close. What does that mean? What does that mean? If you have this confusion, all right, I will actually leave in a form, okay, that you guys can actually register in. Okay, then you guys can join in our Discord community. We teach all of these things exclusively in our Discord community, so that you guys will be able to learn. All right, the teaching is actually for free. All right, there's just certain terms that you have to abide by, then you get access to all of this. All right, and now it's even easier for the terms for you guys to actually fulfill. Okay, we want to make it accessible as many traders, genuine traders that who are really interested to become traders as possible. Okay, that's what we want to do. Okay, let me remove these first so we don't get confused. Okay, let's jump back to 15 minutes time. Then let me turn back. Oh, sorry. Let me turn back on my. Okay. Okay, this. All right. Don't worry. I will explain why is this actually smaller. By right, the fair value gap will be up to this point. Okay. I will explain. Okay. Don't worry. I will explain. Okay. So what am I seeing here? Okay. I like to see a bit behind, like at least here. I don't need to see this previous day all. It's okay. Okay. I like to see here because I'm focusing on today. What potentially is going to happen? You see this move up, right? Okay. This actually created a gap. All right, and it got filled and is being respected. That means the bulls that actually were present here are able to still push price in the direction they want it to go. Okay, bulls are people that push price up, bears are people that push price down. Okay, so I'm seeing, okay, this side bulls were actually present and bull managed to push price up. All right, fine. Okay, I'm also able to identify, sorry, let me delete this. I'm also able to identify this. Hold on, I think it's in the 5 minute. Yep, 5 minute. Okay, let me show you guys. These zones here, you see this strong push down, right? All the bearish candle. Okay, market don't like this. Market like to see green and red. See, this one. This is a fair value gap that has been disrespected. Okay, vice versa, this is a fair value gap that has been respected. What is this telling you? Immediately, what is this telling you? Immediately, it's telling me, personally, based on my trading experience and my understanding of the market, is that bulls were actually present. That's why they're able to push price up. Okay, but they were very strong to the point that they created gaps in the market. Okay, and then I also realized sellers were trying to come in. Okay, obviously, the market is basically a constant fight between buyers and sellers, and basically they want to see who is the winner, who comes on top. Okay, this is what basically happens in the trade arena. Let's say the trading arena. All right, so sellers came in, they were also strong. Okay, they created gaps as well. Okay, but price choose to fill the gap and respect the bulls and disrespect the bears. When this happens, it's showing me that bulls are clearly still in power. Okay, so now, again, they created another gap. If you start to realize that why suddenly there's an even stronger push here, it's because they wanted to break that gap, okay, that bears created. Okay, now you can see why this zone is actually draw here. Is it drew or draw? Why I drew it here? Yeah, that should be correct. Okay, here. Why? You see, when we go to 15 minutes, just now you guys might be thinking, why I only draw here? The candle is up to here. Yeah, this is why, because I just refine it in my smaller time frame. Okay, you don't have to refine it. It's up to you. Trading is a Rubik's cube concept. Okay, there's no right or wrong. It just depends on the understanding and the strategy that you use. Is it benefiting you or not? Okay, if it is, you're right. All right. See, I can even do this so I can leave it like this, no problem. Really not a problem for me. But I personally just like to go into my smaller time frame, 1 minute or even 5 minutes. Okay, I just like to refine it. Okay, just to understand where is my discount zone, where is my premium zones. All right, so this is basically my discount area line, which is where I want to potentially see price give me some sort of reaction towards the upside. I may be wrong. Okay, you see, this is also another gap. Okay, this is also another gap, this is also another gap, and price so far has filled this gap beautifully and is showing some sort of respect. We potentially could be doing this, guys. Potentially we could be entering here. Okay, can also, not cannot, can. Then we could aim this H1 liquidity zone that we have identified. All right, this is what, almost 1 to 2 trade. Can, why cannot? Of course can. We can do this. Just personally, based on my own preference, okay, I like to see price come a little bit deeper into discount zone and show me some sort of reaction that will give me a more clear bias into understanding who is really in control. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Okay, I just show you. See this. Okay, this one basically price came into equilibrium level, which is a very beautiful zone. Okay, and then price touched the discount area. Okay, fine. I personally just like to see it come a little bit lower. Okay, even lower than this. Even if it gives me some sort of reaction in this fair value gap, I am okay. Okay, I like it because at least it's below equilibrium level. Okay, that's what is important to me. I want to see when price come as cheap as possible so that I could potentially see the bears that are able to push price in such a powerful manner to show an aggression. When they do this, okay, we have big volumes of bulls coming into the market. Did I say bears or bulls just now? If I say bears means forgive me, I'm referring to bulls, okay, because bulls push price up, okay. So once price comes into this zone, right, it's considered even cheaper than where it is right now, right? Okay. The lower it goes, the cheaper it gets. Okay, the higher it goes, the more expensive it gets. Okay, just understand this concept like this. Okay, so when it comes into cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, okay, then if I start to see any form of bears come in, all right, sorry, I still say bears. Bulls come in. It gives me a lot more higher confidence, okay, in the trade that potentially I will be seeing a move towards the upside. Because why? Our analysis, we did not just do it in. Hey, hi guys, hello. Sorry, my chat is quite slow. I now only see in the chat. Sorry. Hello. Yes, hello Lion. Thank you for joining. Impulse, you are correct. Correct. There's now example, I guess. Correct. Hi teacher, happy type some to you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lion, New York. Yes, we will be going into New York session. Right now we are currently still in London session, but we'll be going into New York session. Casper, hello. Thank you for joining. Hello. Do you usually use M5 to observe the markets? Okay. Yes, I use M5 as my intraday session analysis because I feel a very sweet spot in M5. M1 is I also use. I won't lie. I also use, but I a lot more comfortable personally in M5 because it's that sweet spot where I can see price action fairly quick, okay, not too quick like M1, and also I'm able to identify clearer liquidity areas. Also these gaps and understanding what price is either respecting or disrespecting certain zones, okay? Because you see, for example, you see this one right here, okay? This zone here, let me make it a different color. Oh, you yellow cannot. Then this yellow also. Okay, purple. Okay, let's go purple. Ayo, still hard to see. Make it thicker. Okay, so you see, see the difference of M1. See, when price comes here, you see, we're seeing a respect, this considered respect. So my entry would have been here, okay? SL would have been below the low. See, I would have been stopped up. Again, I'm not saying M1 is bad. I'm not saying this. Our live trade that we did last Sunday, okay, both of the trades, later I will be breaking down. There's a reason why we're doing BTC today, because I don't want to erase the one in ETH. Later we'll be breaking down the trades what we saw. We took two trades, okay, one is buy, one is sell. Both also it was a successful trade. Okay, congrats to those that actually managed to join the session that day. I'll be breaking it down, okay. So you see, below this low, okay, and I'll be aiming for 1 to 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this will be my 1 to 3. Okay, so you see, I would have been stopped up. Okay, see, I would have been stopped up. Okay, even if I re-enter, okay, this would be my entry because I always like to wait for price to show me respect and close. This is the respect I want to see. Okay, this will be okay because I will still be below. Oh, need to be even below. Okay, almost lah, still almost. Okay, oh, sorry. Almost, but then yeah, this is okay lah. So far still okay lah. But I prefer to see more data. I like to see data because price action is the key for me. I want to see how is price reacting to certain areas. Okay, so right now you see here, I'm able to identify. Okay, based on this, right, based on the gap here, you guys can enter if you want, but see what price would do to this zone right now. Okay, let me make this back. What color was it? I think it was black. This is very dark. Okay, let's put 25. Okay, let's change this back. Should we change it back? Yeah, better change it back. Oh no, then it'll be too much of colors. I'm scared you guys get confused. 25, right? Okay, 25. Okay, so this is the next fair value gap. If we are seeing price come into this zone and then we're seeing bulls come in, potentially this can be another entry point. Okay, for us to actually aim for the H1 liquidity area that's resting above. Okay, I just personally, based on my experience in trading, okay, I like to see zones. Okay, I like to see zones, not zone of price lah. Okay, come into the discount area. Discount. Okay, the discount is white, hard for you guys to see. Okay, I like to see price come a bit lower. Okay, at least here. Okay, this is okay, fine. Because when price gets lower and lower and lower, okay, you guys look at here. You see this number here, 97,904, right? Okay, now we start from equilibrium. Okay, we're here. Okay, the price, you see. As it gets lower, you see the black color one, 97,962, 97,960.8. Okay, just trading, guys, don't just look at candle. You have to understand what is price. Okay, what price is it currently at? There's a very important things. You must keep track of the market, of the things that you are seeing. Okay, you guys must understand. If you don't keep track of the price here, okay, this is the most easily newbie mistake we can make as traders. Okay, if right now we understand price is right now trending at 97,964, okay, you just average lah above 97,950, right? Just average that. Okay, if tomorrow you watch, okay, now the market is actually 103,000, okay, without even looking at the charts, without even looking, you already straight away can understand, okay, that price went up just based on the price that you remember. If let's say now is 97,950, tomorrow you check the price, it became what, 95,000. You understand actually price went down. It's so easy just to understand price moving up or moving down, okay, and then you must go and identify why. Okay, you might ask me, but okay, price move up and down. Why is that important? Let me show you. If you're moving in an uptrend, okay, the first one, like lion, Durga, just now you said impulse, right? Okay, so first one is impulse part, so you're moving up. Okay, price move down. Okay, then you must think to yourself, okay, yesterday I saw price was 97,000. Today price is actually showing me 95,000. Am I potentially in a pullback? Am I potentially going to see price make another impulse move up? You see, just based on this price understanding, okay, and then you put the foundation of bullish or bearish trend, okay, how it moves. Okay, we follow trend. Remember that we cannot make trends. Okay, we are retail traders. We don't have the power to move the market. What we have the power is to copy. Let's just copy. We follow who is in power. All right. So you see, when they say, okay, come here 97,000, okay, without looking at the chart, tomorrow when you just see the news, you see, hey, right now Bitcoin is at 95,000. That means it actually moved down a little bit. Okay, when it moved down a little bit, then you go and analyze. You go and understand, is price right now resting in a fair value gap? Is price now actually touching a OB zone in one of the time frames? Is price respecting these areas? Am I seeing bulls in? If all of these things tell you yes, 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 okay, that means potentially you're going to see another impulse move up, because this is a foundation of a bullish trend. So you can basically just by analyzing price, okay, and then of course like you need to do technical analysis of that. Just on analyzing price alone, okay, just remembering what number it is, okay, you potentially can be getting a trading opportunity. You know what to look at. You know if price go down, is it a pullback? If price is already in a downtrend, okay, and then price go up, am I still in the pullback? If price go even lower, why is price aggressively moving towards the downside? And what happens when price move aggressively? It create gaps. You must remember, oh, Guna actually told me the market don't like gaps. That means eventually the market will be going to fill up those gaps. My job as a trader is when identifying when market will potentially be moving to fill up the gaps. And all of this I can analyze just based on remembering what the price is. Okay, not a difficult thing to do. You don't have to understand. You don't have to remember 97,483.2. You don't have to remember that. Just round off 97,400. Done. Just remember like that. Okay, it will help you so much in trading, guys. All right. Okay, we have more questions. Really, I used to rely on indicators to start, but face many challenges. It's still best to trade based on candlestick and liquidity. I agree with you, Casper. Okay. Again, for anybody watching, okay, and anybody that feel that you are comfortable trading with indicators, okay, fine. Okay, because like I said, trading is a Rubik's cube. Okay, there's so many ways to solve a Rubik's cube. As long as something works for you, okay, fine. I also personally used to trade with strategy, indicators, not strategy, indicators. They were going well only up to a certain point. Then it started to slow me down. At the same time, it started to counter my analysis and make my trading actually sink lah. Personally only, I'm not saying that will happen to you. All right, this is just for me. When I start to change and identify and understand more about liquidity and price action, that's when my trading really shifted. Okay, I never really need to rely on any indicators. Okay, I just solely focus on what price is showing me and what price is telling me. Okay, that's why you need to understand price action. Price action is basically the language of price. So I agree with you, Casper. I agree with Casper. I use the first same channel thanks to the channel. I appreciate that so much. I appreciate that a lot. Yeah, so I like use SMC. Yeah, SMC is amazing lah. Okay. Okay, SMC, ICT, right? This trading strategy. To be honest, if you just understand to trade from support and resistance, okay, you just need to identify when is price respecting those support and when price is respecting those resistance zone, you really can trade. Trading don't have to be very complicated. All right, if you make it complicated, it will become complicated. Make it very simple. Okay, you see, like I just show you based on my H4 analysis, this is all I did. This is all I did. Okay, I just identified this one line. Okay, I know, okay, fair value gap respecting it. Okay, we're moving up. Obvious what? We're moving up. I don't need to put all of the other indicator, all of this thing on. No need. I just understand what price is telling me. Okay, and then where price is heading to if it's going up. My next question. I understand. Okay, there's a form of liquidity here. Okay, there's a form of liquidity here, but potentially we may be seeing a more, how to say, more moves towards the downside. Okay, why? You might ask me, Guna, but why? Always remember, always ask why. Okay, see, this is a liquidity area in H1 also. Okay, and what is happening? It has been swept. Okay, and we're seeing a bearish candle down. Of course, too early to say for now because this is a 4-hour chart lah. Okay, and in the next 13 minutes and 35 seconds, this candle will finally close. Okay, anything can happen within these 13 minutes. Okay, so based on this H1, sorry, this is H1 and H4 now. They share the same liquidity area, H4 and H1. Guys, okay, H4 and H1. Okay, so I identify that they have been swept and we're seeing a move down. Okay, but you see, the fair value gap is being respected. We're seeing a bullish move up. Okay, what is that telling you? See, this fair value gap, remember? Just now only we spoke about it. Can you see it fill up beautifully? Okay, this could be a potential entry here. Okay, you guys can potentially enter here. And if you guys enter here based on this now analysis, you guys are in profits right now. Lah. Okay, so just based on this analysis alone, we can identify price is moving up. Very simple analysis, huh? Nothing crazy. Okay, of course, like you might be saying, there's so many box. What do you mean not so crazy? Yes, just box. Guys, just box. Just for me to explain to you. See, this is all is just explaining there. Remove. No more box. See, no more arrow already. Okay, this one is the discount zone that's now I explained already. Okay, say remove. No more box. No more box. See, don't tell me lines all is affecting your line. The line's so easy, right? Okay, so you see, it's moving up, guys. It's respecting this fair value gap. Okay. Oh, sorry. I cannot make it bigger. I must make it straight. Okay. So always remember what is respect, what is disrespect. Price will tell you everything you need to know. By the way, Sifuguna, what impact do you think tomorrow CPI will have in the market? Wow. Okay, tomorrow CPI. Okay, let me simply go and see what is the forecast. Okay, give me a moment. I need to understand what is the forecast that is actually telling tomorrow first. CPI. So I also never knew tomorrow is CPI. I usually check the. If you guys are wondering how to check these things, right? There's a website you can just go. It's like Forex Factory. Okay, from there you can see lah all the news that will be happening. Okay. CPI tomorrow will be at 9:30. Let me see the forecast 0.3%. 0.3. Okay. Greater is good. Oh, this one is 0.3%. Basically, also 0.3%. This one is predicting will be good. Okay, this one is basically average. Okay. Okay, so one of it, right, is predicting that it will be doing good. Okay, US will be doing good. Another one predicting that actually it may be performing bad. Okay, so there's like 50-50 here. But just based on price action, okay, let me go daily and see. Okay, just based on price action, what price action potentially is telling me lah. Okay, we are still seeing an up move lah. Of course, lah, price action we're still seeing an up move. Okay, price basically broke this high. Okay, we can identify this. This was a clear break lah. Okay, and right now price came down into the discount range. Okay, price came into discount range. Okay, this is potentially an order block zone. Okay, whereby price came pierced and is respecting this zone. Then price also tapped it and is moving towards the upside. Okay, but again this is daily lah. Okay, daily means each of these candle closes after 1 day. Okay, so if I draw this out for you guys, right, this is what we're seeing. Okay, moving down all the way up. Okay, this is what we call, okay, CHOCH, change of character. Okay, people also call it, simplify it to BOS. Okay, break of structure. They call it MSB, market structure break. Okay, MSS, market structure shift. Okay, for those that are confused, what does that mean? You know, market structure, it basically means the bullish trend or bearish trend. Okay, so this is what we potentially are seeing right now. Okay, so you see price, hold on, let me move this away, then only I can explain. Okay, so you see price was moving towards the downside. Okay, this was the first shift, okay, where it broke, but then also even lower than price. Okay, so this is the true move where it break again the high. Okay, so this is basically our break of structure lah. So this is a change of market structure, potentially only, okay, a change of market structure. So right now we're seeing a move come back into the discount zone, okay, and it's respecting a order block area. Okay, basically it's respecting order block area. So price did went and respected this zone because we're seeing a move up so far. Okay, we don't try to aim very high or because we are trading intraday. CPI is tomorrow. Okay, so potentially we could be looking for liquidity areas, okay, which I will be finding tomorrow. Right now, why I wouldn't identify it as of now is because this H4 and H1 liquidity could be taken out today in New York session. If this gets taken out, I need to see and see what is the reaction. But so far, okay, it seems that we are going to be moving towards the upside lah. Okay, after the news tomorrow lah, based on what is price showing me lah here. Okay. Also, let's see H4. Yeah, it also is respecting. Okay. If you guys wondering why price came and pierced right in here in this area, okay, it's because there's a fair value gap in this zone here. Okay, price basically came to fill up the gap. Even though I keep telling you guys, right, feel, right, don't put it in your mind, okay, that means oh, when I say fair value gap means it will be filled. No such thing. Okay, price don't have to fill the fair value gap. Okay, just as traders, okay, we need to just be conservative in what we are looking at and set boundaries, rules for ourselves. For me, I like to see price at least mitigate the fair value gap. Then I will potentially see an entry if I see price is respecting certain things. Okay, that's just my own set of SOPs. Okay, but don't have the understanding that price always must fill a fair value gap. There are cases, okay, where this happens. Let's say we are moving up, okay, Price just taps it, okay, literally just touches it and then have a strong move down. You just keep moving down for a long time, well, very very long time. This happens also, okay. So just remember that, don't keep it in your mind that, oh, that means it must fail. When you do this, you are micromanaging your trade already. Don't do that, okay. Don't micromanage your trade. Respect the market, that it is alive. Respect the market, that it moves based on reaction. It moves based on what is actually happening economically, okay. Fundamental news. When something big happens, suddenly a market maker want to pump in a lot of cash. This is what is the true movement of price, not fair value gap, not order block, nothing. That's why all of these things are important, because we want to see how price will respect. If price respects these zones all, that is our indicator that is telling us, okay, buyers are here, let's follow. Sellers are here, let's follow. That is why I always mention in our Discord community, okay, I like to see who is in control. Okay, whoever is in control, that is who we follow. Okay, we just follow only, we copy only. Okay, because always remember, humble yourself, remind yourself, we don't have the power to move the market, and that is okay. All right, we don't have to move the market. It would be nice to move the market. Okay, then I will tell you guys, I'm gonna move the market up. Okay, everybody put buy now. All of us in Cow. Anyways, so now also our predictions are so far on point, right? So if you guys have entered, I know some of you have, okay, and then you guys are earning very well. I'm very happy to see that. All right, still okay, but we still copy also, we can earn. We don't have to move the market. It's okay. We don't have to control the market. It is okay. All right. But we just need to learn to identify who is in control. This is key, because we must remember we cannot move the market. All right. We cannot. We don't have the funding capacity, and that's okay. See, guys. Okay. Price is respecting. Okay. This fair value gap and is moving up. If you guys have entered this trade just based on this live session just now, okay, you guys can actually take out partials, you guys can take out all, you guys can put BE, okay. The reason why I'm saying this, right, is because I want to remind you guys, okay, if you choose to get out of the trade here, okay, then later the trade does this, okay, it comes down and then it does this, don't feel bad, okay, don't feel bad about it, please. If suddenly, okay, you choose, okay, now man, I want to set my SOP, the trade go here, okay, now man, then remember to set BE at least. Always protect your capital, okay, always. This is key. If you don't have capital, you cannot trade. So why do you want to protect your capital? Right, don't be greedy for the money, for the amount. Yes, we want to earn money, that's why we learn trading, yes. But the more you respect yourself, the more you respect your capital, money will come. Okay, there is no result that money won't come. Money will come, just know that. Don't chase the money, money will find you. All right, just remember your own SOP, your own set of rules, stick to it. Okay, if you take out your trade here, it doesn't mean you're a scat trader, doesn't mean that you how to say, you are not as brave enough to really hold the trade. Don't think like that. Those people that tell you this, don't think like that. Okay, it is your own trading account, it is your own trading SOP, it is your own Rubik's Cube. Okay, your goal here is to make money. Okay, your goal here is to be successful. Where you choose to exit is up to you. I can draw until here. Okay, I can draw until here. I can even draw it until here, guys. Okay, because this is a fair value gap. Okay, at least mitigated the area. I can draw until here. So okay, this could potentially be a trading opportunity. Okay, I just like to see my trades come a bit lower. Okay, but this is an opportunity because price is respecting certain things. Okay, but it doesn't mean you have to aim all the way. Okay, you can get out anytime you want. All right, and it's fine. It is totally fine. There's no such thing. Or I will never ask you, yeah, why you all enter so late, exit so late, so early? Why you guys never hold? I will never say this to you. Okay, trading is complex. Okay, it is a beautiful platform. Okay, place where you are free to be however you want to trade. All right, don't let anybody, all these online other people whereby they how to say, put it in your mind they make it micromanaging. Okay, whereby you have to do this, have to do this, have to hold, have to do this, don't. All right, that is considered you start to micromanage your trade already. Right now, you see, if you take out your trade, right, you're in profit, right? Okay, and then later, this is just a mindset advice, okay. Later, we see this happening. Okay, if you think, yeah, I should have hold my trade. How would you know this would happen? Think about it right now. You're in the live stream, right? How would you know this will happen? This is live market. I also don't know. This is my prediction only. Market will go in here. Okay. Later, I will also explain the live trades that we took during our session last week Sunday. Okay. Both also, yes, we went to TP. Correct. Both went to TP. Okay, we earned. Fine. Very nice. I was very now based on this example. How do you know market will move up to here? Don't know, right? You have to be honest with yourself. We don't know, right? Yeah, you don't know. So if we don't know this would potentially happen, why are we feeling bad about it when it happens? It doesn't make sense, right? You are feeling bad about something that you cannot predict. Okay? I mean, not cannot predict, cannot confirm. We can predict. This is what we're predicting right now. Okay? Yes, price respected the zone. Yes, we're actually in profit right now. Okay? But will price go here or not? We cannot confirm. That is why we call it trading. Okay? That's why we need to really be very good with our analysis. We need to have years of experience. Now, I won't say you need years of experience. I have years of experience, okay? That's why you join this community, and I will give you my years of experience, okay? So you'll be able to learn all of this so fast, okay? Especially those that have joined the Discord community. Oh, thank you. I appreciate all of you sharing your predictions now. I'm very proud of you. You know, I always wanted to see you guys share your predictions now. I'm seeing it. I'm very happy about it, okay? These are all things that I want. Okay, our goal is to create genuine traders. Okay, we are not a group whereby we want to just give you guys, hey, signal. You guys won't learn anything. Okay, I want you guys to become traders. I know you guys can become traders. It just depends how badly you want it personally. Okay, if you do, okay, there will be a form, okay, where you guys can actually register to be part of that community. Okay, all you have to do once you're done registering the form, you guys can text me. Okay, my number is literally there. You can see it there. Okay, or you can text my admin. All right, just reach out to me now. Okay, then I will pass you guys to my admin. Okay, and then you guys will be joined like inside of that group. Okay, that's all I want. I want to create genuine traders. Okay, so you see, you guys understand already, the concept? Okay, sorry, my cat is here. Cat is always here. My cat is always here. Hello, cat. Okay, guys, sorry. If the screen is black, my cat actually press minimize and everything. She learned how to use computer already. Actually, everybody. I also feel so blessed today. I managed to give my cat a bath. This has been so long overdue already. Finally lah. Today is the day that it happened. Okay, guys. You guys just see this trade first. Okay, allow me to go and get my cup of water, which I didn't since the beginning. Okay, I was so excited to share with you. After that, okay, I come back. Let's go to allow me to explain the live trades that we did that day. Okay, I will try to find and see the screenshots if I still have another. I'll paste it here and then I will share with you what did we see, why did we actually choose to enter those trades. Okay, we actually I'm quite thankful for a buy. We went to TP and then after that we went for a sell also in the TP. That was amazing. Okay, just you guys just watch this trade. Okay, I'll be back shortly. All right, enjoy the music. Hello guys, I'm back. Yes, especially when the market is rising, do not be. Yes, correct, Casper, correct. Ah, you see, guys, look, 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 look. You see, this is the thing. That's why I say when here, right, or here, if you guys choose, okay lah, I think I want to take out profits. Okay lah, I think I want to set BE. Never have a thing in your mind, okay, or feeling lah, I would say. If the trade play out like this, right? Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't set BE. I shouldn't take out profit. Never have this. You see, right now also, you see trade went below our SL zone. Correct or not? Can you predict this? Cannot, right? I also cannot predict this. You know, we see this, right? This zone here, okay? Let me show. I erase this so that it'll be clear for you to see, okay? Price is still respecting the fair value gap, okay? You might see it go to the SL zone, but it's still respecting, okay? This also could be a form of liquidity sweep. Price could potentially just go down here to take out this liquidity to gain more power, either to move towards the upside or downside. Sorry, guys. Suddenly I got gas ready. Okay, this could potentially be happening also. It not necessarily means this trade is not going to move up. All right, but what I'm trying to tell you is these are things that we have to understand. We cannot predict the future. Okay, if can means it'll be amazing. All right, but we cannot predict the future, and that's okay. But the thing is, I'm trying to teach you guys is don't feel bad about something where you cannot confirm. Okay, in trading, I heard somewhere, I forgot where I heard before lah. Okay, it is a very powerful reminder. Okay, you need to be good at winning. At the same time, you need to be better at losing. Okay, why that means it doesn't mean oh okay lah, I take 10 trade, I lose 9, I will win 1. No, it's not good. Okay, what I mean by that is personal lah. I just share a little bit of personal experience lah. Okay, when I started out trading, okay, like I said many times in the channel in the live stream, it took me 1 year 7 months. Okay, majority of it is losing. After that only I start to find profitability in trading. All right, every time when I win, okay, I win. When I get one loss, even though the loss doesn't cover my winnings, okay, I start to judge. I start to think why. I cannot accept that I'm losing. It must be win. It must be win. Must be must be. This one is true things that actually happened based on my own experience as a trader. All right. I never thought much about it at the time, but then actually it affected my trading a lot. I start to doubt my own strategy. I start to doubt what am I seeing. I start to doubt many things lah. I start to doubt. Okay, when these things happen, it really affected my training very badly. Okay, it became even worse. From winning streaks, it became losing streak. Just because I had this doubt. Okay, that's why that thing I forgot where I heard it. I think it was an online quote thing. You know, like Instagram, they have like this post, the page all, they will write the quotes all. It's very nice to see one. Okay, those things I think is from there. Okay, where they said in trading you have to be good at winning, you have to be better at losing. Okay, so when you lose, you have to learn. Okay, it's part of the game. Okay, you have to learn. We don't have the power to confirm the future. Okay, we only have the power to train consistently. All right, to gain experience. Of course, to gain experience, you guys have to train. Okay, to set boundaries, set rules. Like, see, for example, me, even though this would have been a very nice entry, okay, we could earn profits. This is actually good profits already, guys. Okay, all the way up here. Okay, because we predicted our entry is around here. So this is very nice already, this profit here. Just to collect this much is good. Okay, still profit, but still good. All right. But like for me, my boundary, I say I like only to see around these areas to see how price is reacting. Then only I potentially enter, because I set my own boundaries. Is I want to see price go below equilibrium. I want to see price go to the cheapest level as possible before I see any sort of reaction. Okay, that is my personal preference. Okay, your preference can be different. It can be based on your own trading strategy, based on what markets are you trading, okay, based on how aggressive as a trader you are. Okay, what I mean by aggressive, right, is this. I'm a conservative trader. Okay, I'm not the aggressive one. Last time I was. Okay, I think majority of us starting out in trading, we usually are very aggressive one. Okay, so what aggressive trader means, right? The moment when price comes into equilibrium, the middle level, they reset buy a limit. Okay, if it's going up, okay, SL will be here. Okay, TP. This will be aggressive trader. They don't want to risk missing out on this, and they're okay for the price to actually have a drawdown. Okay, up to this level, so they okay. That is aggressive. All right. Conservative trader means like me. Okay, I like to see price action also happen. Even if price come into this is cheap, right? I still want to see how price is reacting. Okay, it's very important. I see what is price doing inside of this zone. Okay, if I see certain things happening, then only I will enter. If I enter also, I want to see price at least come to equilibrium. Again, I'm not micromanaging. I'm not saying price must. I say I want to see. There's a difference with must and want to see. Okay, if I do this, okay, my stops will be very little. Okay, my target zone usually will be if it goes below at least London high. Okay, but again, this is ultimate. Okay, I usually go for 1 to 3, so at least here. All right, but again I don't always set buy limits or sell limits. Okay, because I'm a reaction trader. I like to see what is price doing. Okay, so you see when this happen, right, price is closing and then you see we're seeing a follow-up candle. This fair value gap is not valid anymore. Okay, so now we must try to identify and understand what is potentially going on. Okay, what are we seeing? Okay, look at this. Hi cat, hello. You guys can see now, I don't know. Okay, this is Mochi again. Hi, hello. This is Mochi, guys. He just showered today, so it's very confident to just come on the table. Later, we play with you. Okay, so you see, show you guys. What are we seeing now? We're seeing a strong push down, right? Okay, this is what? This is a 15-minute liquidity area that has been swept and then we're seeing move down. Now you must ask yourself, are these bears? Am I seeing sellers come in the market right now? Okay, these are questions that we must ask as traders. Okay, so again, these zones are still valid. Okay, we still keep them in mind. Okay, but we just must identify and understand what is going on. This is the 15-minute that has been taken out. This is the 5-minute that has been taken out. Another liquidity range. Where are you? Okay, M5. Guys, M5. This has been taken out, so this has been swept. Okay, this is a beautiful swap, all right, and then price is moving all the way down. Okay, this value gap has been what? Disrespected. All right, but again, I cannot say now, too early. All right, this liquidity area has been swept, move up already. Okay, so we gotta wait for at least 55 seconds or more. Okay, never mind, I'll just leave this fair value gap there. We see what is going on, but so far disrespected. This is very strongly moving down. Okay, so this is what we potentially want to see. If sellers are present here, okay, we will usually be seeing certain things happen. Okay, this is a fair value gap that has been created here. All right, so potentially we'll be looking for price coming into this zone. Okay, potentially here mitigation if respecting. Okay, we'll be seeing move down, taking out the liquidity in Asia's low. Okay, if respect, remember, respect and disrespect is very important things. All right, never against the trend, otherwise the trend will against you. That's nice one. Yes, that's actually a very nice one. True, you can go against the trend if you want, but just remember one thing: we don't have power. I said this many times already. Okay, I'll say it again: we don't have the power to move the markets. Okay, who have the power to move the markets? Always remind yourself: market makers have the power to move the market. All right. Okay, again, guys, yeah, this is just a potential, okay, move that we may be seeing. We now need to identify and understand what is price going to do here. If sellers are present in this zone, we have to forget about our buy already. Okay, our buy opportunity went bye-bye. Okay, but again, it still depends. We need to see who is in control. In Asia session, Asia session. Okay, we are able to identify buyers who are actually in control, but not very clear lah. Okay, initially I saw this. Okay, initially I saw this. Buyers were showing their footprints here. Okay, this was the cause of the potential move all the way up after price has swept this security area. Price swept. Okay, we saw a very nice move all the way towards the upside, creating gaps. Okay, so buyers were present in Asia session, hence the reason why price moved up. In London session, okay, I didn't see any form of sellers inside. Okay, they were not really showing their presence. Okay, even this also, this February value gap has been disrespected. Okay, this is a very small sign of sellers, but it has been disrespected and moved all the way above it. All right, it became an inverse fair value gap, but at the same time it got disrespected also. So the fair value gap is not valid, it's not important, it's not relevant to us. So you see here, price came into our very nice range. Okay, initially where we thought to go for a buy opportunity. Okay, but I will be waiting for a while to see what is potentially happening, because I am potentially seeing sellers showing their presence here. If sellers are showing their presence here, let me find some liquidity areas for us to look at. See, okay, we can aim potentially for this zone here. This would have been a nice liquidity area to look for. Okay, this is here. Let me see if we have any other. Okay, we have one more which we can aim for. Basically, is this one. Okay. So far, our sellers are showing their power. Okay, so see, we right now we have mitigated this value gap. This one has been disrespected. This one is no longer valid. Now we have to see here. Even if this gets respected, right? Okay, guys. If this gets respected, we're seeing suddenly okay, price moving up, right? Try to aim at least to this fair value gap. Don't aim above it for now, because we don't know if this will be respected or disrespected. Okay, so this is our zone where we want to see what will happen. So if we're seeing like this, see, price is rejecting. Okay, if price is start to respect this zone already, we could potentially enter this trade. But if we were to enter this trade, okay, aim at least to this fair value gap first, because we want to see what is price going to do after reaching this zone. Okay, so this one I think we can leave it here first. Okay, then we can come back to this trade. If price is actually coming here and respecting, means this is the liquidity areas that we can aim for. These two resting below here. Let me see, where's our daily, our 4 hour. Okay, this is our 4 hour. This is the fair value gap. This is also another potential zone where price is coming to. Okay, so other than these two areas, right, we potentially could be seeing price going even lower. So once price comes to this zone, if it respects, we could potentially see price come all the way to this fair value gap. If you guys are wondering where this fair value gap is from, okay, show you guys. Let me find it. They're here in the H1. Maybe I'll mark it out for you guys, so you guys can remember and you guys can see your own charts also. H1, huh? This is the H1 fair value gap. Potentially we can be see this happening also. That's why we just always have to wait and remind ourselves price action, price action, price action. Okay, see, we're seeing a move up, right? You guys can enter here. This could be a potential entry here. Just below the fair value gap. Okay, this could have been a safe zone at least until nearby mitigation area. Okay. Okay. While we wait for this to actually to play out and see which direction it will go up or down, okay, then we will actually come back lah. But now I want to go into our Ethereum trade, and then I want to share with you guys what we actually saw during that trading session. Okay, what we actually able to analyze, why we were able to go for a buy and also for a sell. Usually, right, in my trading strategies and all, I usually aim only for either buy or either sell. Okay, but this one actually there are certain things that happen, which is why we went for a buy at first, and then after that we went for a sell. Okay, I will explain to you guys as well. What are the things we saw and all, okay? So this one, we will come back to it, okay? So far, we're seeing some sort of respect towards the upside. Buyers are showing their presence here, okay? Basically, now we are in profits, okay? So we let that play out first. We see later how it will run. Okay, let me find it. Let's go to our Ethereum trade. If you guys have any questions, so feel free to ask. Where are you? Where are you? There, this is the one, guys. This is the one. This is the beautiful one. It's a very, very nice trade. And this one, okay, this one, let me reverse. Let me replay. We actually traded in M1, okay, because the price was a bit more clear for me here, okay. Don't worry, all of this line, this stuff, I will explain to you guys, okay. Let me move it all the way to here first. Okay, let me see here. Okay, I purposely never remove any of this stuff. Okay, because I want to show you guys what is happening. Okay, so first off, I will just stick to M1. Okay, I won't be going to the bigger time frame one because then our analysis this one might confuse you. Okay, because there are quite a few things that we went through more in-depth things that we went through during that session in our Discord community. Okay, again, if you guys are interested to join the next one, okay, feel free to. You guys can actually just register in a form. Okay, the form is just free Okay, all is free You guys register and then you guys can reach out to me and let me know that hey, I already registered the form already. Okay, this is my details, and then I will pass you guys to my admin, and then the admin will actually help you guys out further. All right, so you guys can actually catch the next opportunity. Okay, so this is what potentially happened, guys. Yeah, wait, this is ETH, right? Yeah, this is ETH. Okay. So what did we saw? Okay, I saw buyers actually showing their presence. Okay, let me on this. Is it on? Yeah, it's on. Okay, buyers were showing their presence from this zone itself. Okay, this is actually before Asia session even started. Okay, and then I also start to realize, okay, these gaps are actually occurring. Okay, but mitigation has not been met. Okay, that is why I didn't enter here. I just wait. Okay, on top of that, I was able to manage to find this trend line. Okay, I saw this area here being respected. Hold on, guys. My cat again. Hi. Little. Okay. I was able to identify, okay, that this area respected this trend line. This one also respected this trend line. Okay. So retail traders, okay, probably will be expecting to sell off from this zone here because price has been respecting this zone already 2 times. Okay. So retail traders potentially will be looking to do this. They potentially be aiming to sell off at least to fill up this fair value gap. Okay, this didn't happen now. So the moment when I see price didn't respect this mitigation zone and price broke this trend line, something told me, okay, there are very strong buyers right now, okay, whereby they are able to really push price even above this trend line liquidity. They swept all of these liquidity areas because why? We understand as traders every trend line that we draw is actually liquidity areas. We understand this, right? This is what I actually teach. Okay, and also I'm able to identify another gap. Okay, the reason why I no longer focus on this mitigation and I focus on this one is because we basically went into a new level. Okay, after we break this trend line liquidity, we went into a new level already. So I want to see what price is doing here. So the moment when I see, okay, price actually came into this green candle and closed. Okay, this was my entry. Okay, a few U. So when they made this entry, okay, then suddenly price had to move up. This is the point in the tree we set BE. Some already take out already. Right, price already took us up. Amen. Very simple trade, very quick trade as well. Because this was just 1 minute. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and then we out of the trade already. Is it 1 to 3? Okay. This is the part where I start to see a sell opportunity. Okay, because of this. Again, I never see buyers here. I saw buyers way below. Okay, buyers never show their presence here, but they show from below lah. This is what I saw. This is an OB zone. Okay, for those that don't know or are confused, what is OB? Episode 1, I got explained in depth what is the order block zone, how you guys can actually use order blocks. Okay, how you can identify them. Most importantly, what are the metrics behind an order block? Okay, if you guys watch the movie Matrix, means you always see, oh, Matrix, he can block the bullet lah. He can bend down almost like 90 degrees without falling. Okay, Yes, the movie. Yes, that is the movie that I'm referring to. Correct. Okay. But then the matrix, what I'm talking about here, right, is the mechanics behind an order block. Okay, what creates one? Okay, why is actually there? What is the reason is there? Okay, what is its purpose? These are the things that you guys are able to identify. I promise, just based on seeing episode one, which I have actually released, not released, published on my YouTube page. Okay, you guys can actually find it there, lah. All right. So you see, this is not a block here. Okay, so I able to identify that. Actually, we did lah. Okay, so then what we saw this. We saw price came in, and then price is showing a form of respect. Okay, I also mentioned during our session, this one is a little bit riskier. Okay, because we're not seeing any form of break of structure. Okay, change of character, nothing. Okay, we still overall are bullish. All right, why? Because see, I show you from here. This is a pullback. See, this is a pullback. We are still overall bullish. We're not seeing any form of break of structure, change of character, nothing. Okay, that's why I mentioned during our session that time. This one is a little bit risky, but still some of you entered with me. Okay, appreciate that. Okay, but remember I told lah. Okay, this protect capital. Okay, so you see, this was our entry. This is what happened. Okay, price went down. Yeah, this is what happened. But by this time, when this kind of happened, we all already like took partials out. Okay, some of you already said B already, which we quite safe lah. Okay, this one actually took longer than this. Was 5-6 minutes. This one, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, around 13 minutes. Yeah. And then after the session, we just broke down lah about why actually we happened and all. Again, if you guys are interested, right, to join the next live session, the live trading session like this one we did. Okay, this one was quite early. Thank you guys for waking up. It was 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay, I appreciate you guys for waking up that day. All right. But again, if you guys are interested, means feel free to register in the form, and then I will pass you guys to our admin. You'll be joining the Discord community. At the same time, you guys will just have to follow certain terms lah. That you'll be able to join these kind of amazing sessions that we have. And then after that, I never really see the price lah, but I saw after that price really moved like crazy lah. Okay, because after the session from here, we spoke a little bit. Okay, answered a few questions, and then we ended the live session. Yeah, this is what happened after that, guys. Yeah, so price really went down lah, and then after it really went up. See, crazy. Price really went crazy. Okay, and these are all we able to identify in M1. Okay, this one looks insane. Okay, it's like so much so complex. But trust me, if you join the session that day, you will know it's actually very simple. We really simplified it. Okay. Okay, so now let's go back and see how our operation is it going okay or not. What is happening? Hey, wait. Oh, sorry. Don't worry, guys. This is because I replay. See, guys, going down, man. Okay. So again, we are still within the mitigation area now. All right. So let's see. Because there's no sellers show their presence here. Okay, we are right now in an impulse move up. We still need to see a pullback. Let's see. Okay, guys, my nose is running right now. Okay, you guys just watch this. Okay, I'll be back. All right, you guys enjoy the music. I'll be back. Sorry guys, I don't know. Suddenly my nose acting out already lah. Okay. Okay. So now right now what we can identify, what are we understanding? Okay, what are we understanding? What do we understand? Okay. Sellers, as earlier we said, present here. Okay. Liquidity areas have been swept. We're seeing a strong push towards the downside. All right. But initially buyers were present here. Okay. Right now, why you seeing price kind of slowing down? Okay, we're not seeing a strong push up. We're not seeing a strong push down. Okay, why? It's because right now they're war. They're in war right now. Okay. This is our POI for those that actually want to buy. Okay, this is the POI for those that actually want to sell. Okay, for those that don't understand POI means point of interest. Okay, when price comes into this zone, this is when they will fight. This is when we will start to see who will come up on top, who will win. Will buyers win or sellers win? Okay, that's why sellers came in, take out liquidity first, enough power to fight the buyers. Okay, so we have to see now who will be winning. Right now, so far, no one lah. Okay, if we went below this zone, okay, then sellers consider win already lah. Okay, this is mitigation area. I'll show you guys easier to see. Let me. Okay, see, this is the mitigation zone. So price is respecting this mitigation zone so far. Okay. Sorry, if you guys seeing hearing in the mic. Oh, it's me. I'm not crying. Don't worry. Hello, hello. All your emojis are so nice. We always work with each other. The session was intense, my friend. I appreciate that. I appreciate it a lot. Okay. So far, sellers seems winning, guys. You see the rejection here. Okay. So far, we're seeing that sellers are winning. Okay. Let's just wait and see lah. If this breaks through, right? Okay. This zone still must go. Not must. I cannot say this. Throw it out of your system. No such thing as must. Okay, when we say the word must, we're going to start micromanaging our trade already. All right. Take care, teacher. Thank you so much. I don't know why. I think maybe my cat could. Yeah, must be that. It must be my cat. I'm not allergic to cat, by the way, guys. Okay. So even though this one goes through right this zone, okay, we just need to wait and see after price take out certain liquidity zones. Are we then potentially will be seeing a move towards this fair value gap or not? All right. So let's just see. Hi again, my cat. My cat is here, guys. You just cannot see her. Let's go and see gold, guys. For a while, we wait for this. Let me go and see the gold one. Oh, my cat. And don't check my screen. Oh, actually gold. Wow, what an insane drop for gold. I'm not sure I only if you guys trade gold or not lah. Oh, this was a crazy drop lah for gold. Let me see if this one is because of sellers or what. You guys might be thinking, no, if down means actually sellers, up means buyers. Yes, you're correct. You're correct. Up and down means sellers and buyers. Correct. But our job is to make sure that we are able to identify any footprints or signs that is them. Okay, because why? When market reach a new high, okay, for those that don't understand, what is a new high? This is a new high. Okay, so yeah. Okay, okay, this right is considered a new high. Let's say based on the market history lah. Okay, the market history. Okay, this is the highest point so far. All right. Then this actually okay. Let's say this didn't break. Right? This is below it also. Okay. So you see, this was all of the forms. You can say not purely resistance, okay, but you can think about it like that, okay, something that is there that caused price to move down, okay. Excuse me, sorry. I don't know what is happening to me. Okay, so yeah, this is 1, 2, okay, these 3. Okay, they are not 100% identified as form of resistance. Okay, but you just think of them like that. All right, because they are something that happen in these areas which cause price to not move higher lah. Okay, so new high basically means all of these form of resistance, right, especially the highest point. Maybe I change this to a different color. No, yellow you guys can see. Okay, this is okay. Make it thicker. Okay, this is the highest point, right? Whenever price breaks this zone, okay, there is, yeah, let me draw with my marker here, refer to this side. Okay, there is nothing here anymore that is acting as a form of resistance for price. Price is free. Okay, price is free to move however price wants. When this happens, right, okay, usually lah, if price wants to keep moving up, very easy because it doesn't have any form of resistance anymore. Okay, but at the same time, it is a bit difficult for us to identify how far or how high price potentially may be heading to because we don't have any form of prehistorical data to refer back and identify and understand the liquidity areas that price potentially is going to do. Because actually right now price is creating new liquidity areas because there's nothing behind. So this is one thing you guys can keep aware of that if price breaks a new high, it potentially very easy to keep moving on. But at the same time, as traders, it'll be a little bit difficult for us to identify how high price will be going. Okay, so you see right now, right? Okay, just based off of this line, okay, sellers came in the market. Okay, sellers are showing their presence. This is basically the highest point. What is this highest point? 2942.59. All right, 2942.59. All right, fine. I'll try this out. Okay, this one is what? This one is 15, right? Okay, this is basically a liquidity area, the highest point line. Okay, what else are we able to identify? Okay, you guys know lah. I think you guys know lah what I will do lah. Fair value gap. Okay, we're able to identify this. This is a beautiful mitigation of fair value gap. This one is okay to enter. Actually, this one is okay because this is below equilibrium. Okay, I don't prefer just at equilibrium. I prefer a bit below it. Okay. In this case, right, this is not considered discount, guys. This is considered premium. Okay. On top part is considered premium. This is discount. I draw it out for you. What color should I put? Premium. Discount, I put green. I put it red. Premium. Okay. This is premium. Okay. So price came into here. Okay. We see a form of respect. Okay. This one actually can be selling opportunity. All right. For going down, we can find targets. Okay, going down we can see it. Going up means after this zone it's very difficult to find targets really. So basically this will be your target, which will be Asia low. Okay, the how to say the finale, the grand target for the day. Okay, the safest one that you guys can actually aim for, because the previous one we cannot 100% sure if price will be going to them or not. Okay, there is a form of equal lows also resting for gold here. Okay, which is very close by. Okay, very close by. Potential price will be taking out these equal lows also. Let me see if we have more or not. We have of course we have quite a few more but the equal lows is what price is magnetized towards. Okay, let me see. Very strong move up. Really, guys, gold made a new high. It's insane. I don't know how high some gold will be going to lah. Maybe gold will be reaching 3,000 lah. Okay, very close already. I think it'll be reaching 3,000 now actually. Okay, so right now price is actually moving towards the downside for London session. Okay, if you ask me, right, I'm able to identify that this zone is being respected. Okay, after it's being filled, okay, we have a push down. This zone is being respected. And then we have another push down. Okay, I'm trying to find any form of control, right? Who is actually in control? Okay, sellers are actually showing their presence here also. okay, we can see so all of this liquidity has been swept. All of this zone has been swept already, okay, by sellers. This one is also another one here. All of these areas, okay. Then we see, yeah, sellers basically show their presence here also. This one is a form of respect actually caused by the sellers, okay. For those that are thinking, right, this fair value gap, right, you guys are able to identify two things. Market move up and down, okay. We have bullish and bearish, okay. I explained this before. For those, I don't know if there's anybody new that joining here, so better if I explain again, so we all can be at the same level, okay. Always watch out, right, which color is it, guys, okay. If we created a gap in the market, sorry guys, but so weird today only, suddenly having like this runny nose, okay. When we have a gap, look at the color, okay, to identify. All right. See this one, right, is moving down, probably not. So that means this is a bearish fair value gap. If it's this one, let me find a bullish one. Okay, this one. This one. Okay, it created a gap, right? This is the gap. Okay. This is a bullish fair value gap. Identifying them equally is important as understanding what are they supposed to do. Okay, basically bullish fair value gap means when price comes in again doesn't have to fill it up. Okay, it's not a TNC. Okay, just something that we should set in our own SOP based on our trading strategy. For me, I like to set at least mitigation. Okay, some people, as long as touch, they will enter. They're more aggressive traders. There's no right or wrong. Okay, it just depends. Okay, hold on, guys. All right, it's no right or wrong. But the thing I want you guys to understand is about bullish and bearish fair value gaps. Bullish means whenever price comes into them, fills or not. Okay, doesn't matter. Remember this. Price is supposed to be moving in the upward direction. In this case, price fills it, it came lower, okay? Does that mean it disrespected? No, it didn't disrespect it, okay? It filled it, and then it went to this order block zone, okay, which is what caused price to move even higher, okay? This is still considered a pass, all right? Same thing, here is a bearish fair value gap. Price came in, fill it up, and then start to move. Now, price don't have to always go to order block. Price don't always have to go to fair value gaps. Remember this, okay? This is just things that we are looking at, okay? We are identifying what we can see in the market. They don't have to. Remember, stop that. Stop that thinking. When you do this, you're micromanaging your trades, okay? They don't have to. Remember that trading is all based on our predictions and all based on what we think can potentially happen. All right, that is trading. So right now also you see guys, this is an equal low, right, that we're able to identify, okay? To get to this equal low, this is potentially the order block where price has to go below. All right, and this order block caused price to move quite high. All right, that means it's quite strong. So right now, since it's very near, okay, we cannot 100% sure it will be taken also. Potentially, it can take, okay, to gather more liquidity areas, or since we are seeing what? We're seeing a sweep right now, okay? Potentially, we can be see this happening. We start to see a shift, move all the way up. Because right now, you're already using this order block as power already. So potentially, we'll be seeing a move up also. Can. That's the thing why we need to wait. We need to be patient. I said this before, but trading, okay, think yourself as fishermen. Okay, you might think, why fisherman? Why fisherman? Because actually, I cannot give an easier or simpler example. Because you know, right, in fishing, you have to be very patient. No matter how nice your bait is in fishing, the moment you drop it inside the water, anything can happen. You don't know when. Okay, same thing in trading, you don't know. Okay, so basically these fair value gaps, these order block zones, these liquidity sweeps, these mitigation areas are all, think of it as our bait. We are the ones that put it there, and we want to wait and see if price will come to them, and then who will take the buy. All right, so that's all we're going to do. Just be patient. Market not really moving now, guys, because we are still heading towards the end of London session. we need to wait and see until New York session kicks in, which is majority of the power will be in. I'm not saying you cannot trade based on London session. No such thing. We actually traded the last week one for up and down, which thankfully all went to profit. Is in Asia. Okay, London also can. You guys can. Memang can. Okay, so this one later we'll come back and see. We'll take out this equal low or not. All right, let's go back to BTC. What happened in BTC? Okay, don't worry if it's low, it's slow or anything. If you guys thinking what is going on, like I said, like price basically is fighting here, and also is not reaching the London session yet, and the New York session yet. Okay, so that's the thing right now. It's just like in awkward area right now. Okay, towards the end of London. Okay, going to be starting New York. All right, just think of it like that. Okay. So let me remove these arrows so it won't kacau your view of price. You guys have to have clarity in this time. Okay. And at the same time, let me mark out this as sellers. Okay. Okay, wait guys. Let me mark this out as sellers. No, I put best. Okay, best. Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, there's a few in the chat. Okay. Hold on, guys. Oh, quite a bit. Okay, wait, guys. Sorry. If I talk means I keep talking one. I better find a way how to set the notification. I know. My favorite pairing. Uh, I think gold is it? I think you referring to gold or crypto? I think gold. I think should be gold. Before I finish, yeah, go. Before I get into crypto, okay. Nice. I think gold is every trader's favorite pairing lah. Especially when they started into trading. Oh, everybody want to go gold one because gold has a very high volume lah. Okay, in terms of how it moves. Okay, I also really like gold. But then I realized crypto market actually, yep. Crypto not only then, now have even more because the new presidency, right, about Trump coming into presidency, and then he said about these crypto things whereby he had plans. He told New York, U.S. citizens to not sell the cryptocurrency, to U.S. to hold all of these things, all these very big things, And then also Malaysia also is one of the first countries I think in the world that is accepting cryptocurrency now. So very big opportunity, guys, right now. Okay, very big opportunity. Let me see. In terms of what opportunities, is it the volume? What was the opportunity? Oh, okay. Okay. Hello, Kay. Hi. My admin actually told me about you. Welcome to the community. Hi, Coach Guna. What's your trading bias for tonight? All right. Tonight one, right? I cannot say for now. Okay, this one what I'm giving you guys is just prediction for us to see how price is moving. Okay, the reason why I say I cannot give for now is because I like to wait and see when London session kicks in. I want to see who is in control. If you guys see right now, right, based on what I draw for BTC, you see right there, no, the arrow key, right, the bears. Can you see this one here? Okay, what this is identifying, right, is telling me that sellers are showing their presence here. Okay, and then the reason why, right, I just simply put this how to say, this TP point up to this here, this section, is because when we see a move down, right, sell, right, we must see a pullback. Okay, this is how price move. Okay, price has been moving like this for so long. Okay, this is basically how price move. Impulse pullback, right? So right now we are seeing, what are we seeing? Okay, we are seeing impulse, right? So potentially we may be seeing a pullback. Potentially only lah, alright? But the reason why I stopped the TP point to here is because if this one is identified as really sellers are here, okay? Really they are here, okay? This move, right, will be continuing towards the downside. And this is a fair value gap that has been created by them, okay? So if the price goes into this fair value gap, either mitigates it or fills it up, as long as it respects it, you guys can look for sell. Okay. But again, this is before New York session. If New York session starts to kick in, please hold up your trades all first. We have to identify and see who is in control for New York session. All right. Later, I will give, don't worry here. I know you're actually in the community already. I'll be sharing the analysis for BTC, ETH, or later to see which one is a very good potential entry point. All right. I will give you guys later. Because 9:30 is the time. We're still early for now. Hi, I've invested in crypto, but never had braveness to trade crypto until I joined. Ah, wow. Durga, that means a lot. Thank you so much. I feel so happy hearing this. Thank you. Yes, and the market volume and also the risk reward are much better. I used to love trading gold last time, and now it's kind of hard to predict the gold market. This one I can say, especially if you think about current situation, right? It's difficult because let's now I give you guys the example, right? When the price reach a certain area whereby there is no longer prehistorical data to refer to, we as traders cannot know how high price will be heading to. At the same time, when will price have that pullback? Okay, it is very dangerous for us to trade an impulse move halfway or even at the top lah. Actually, we don't know when it's halfway, when it's the top. I'll show you what I mean. You see this move here, right? Okay, we don't know when are we entering now. If you want to go for buy, we don't know. We can be entering the half. Potentially, we can enter here. This is what happened when I used to start trading. I enter here. When I enter the end, then after that we start to see a move down. Oh, it's insane. It's crazy. That's why don't trade at impulse if you're seeing it there for quite some time. Don't. You never know when the pullback will happen, okay? So always be patient, always be the fisherman, wait. When the pullback happen, try to identify where is it pulling back. Is it fair value gap? Okay? Is it pulling back to order block? Alright? Is it sweeping any form of liquidity? Okay? Once that happens, what is price doing? Is price coming? Okay, then we're seeing a shift. Are we seeing a new form? A form? New foundation, okay? A formation, sorry, what I'm trying to say. Okay, are we seeing a bullish formation, bearish formation? Are we potentially seeing a move down now? Or are we going to see a move up? Okay, all these things, all these questions we have to ask ourselves. All right. So there's a never just trade because you see a impulse move. Okay, just wait, guys. Be a fisherman. Be patient. Just wait. Okay. And SMC strategy, the teacher teaching us is much more easy to use. SMC, I would agree. SMC is actually quite easier to understand. The only thing is we have to get a hang of it. The only way for us to be able to get a hang of it is to trade, is to apply it in actually market, the live market, like actually apply it. Okay, don't think about losing. Okay, the problem might be us humans, right? I also am one of it. Okay, I'm not saying that, oh, you guys only are that. I'm not that. No such thing. Everything I share with you, all of the advice I give you is all the things that I personally went through and I did myself. And I see good thing happen. Okay? It's the only thing I'm telling you guys. All right. I before I place a trade, I only think I'll lose. I only think, yeah, if I lose this one, I lose this $10. That time my account very small. If I lose this, I lose $50. I lose $5. But I don't know why we always think only if we lose. Why we never think, if we win now, we win $10. If we win now, we win $2. If we win now, we win $50. We don't think this way. I don't know why. It's because I got read a few books and all right. Humans, right, we are more connected to fear as to potential results like that what we could be seeing. Yeah, this is a common thing because of our circumstances, right? Everybody is different. Everybody has different childhood. Everybody has different experiences, working experience. Everything is different, right? But fear is the most common one because we see all the horror movie lah. We see the news, right? We see all of this stuff where it's related to fear. So we're so how to say connected to fear compared to actually result. That's why when you just if you're scared of heights, right, you just close your eyes, imagine about it, you can literally feel like you're falling. I don't know why. But if you want to think about, oh, I'm a millionaire, how a millionaire feels like, very difficult. Right. Yeah, because I don't know, we just have a stronger connection to fear compared to success. Yeah, this is what I personally experienced that. Okay. Yeah. So don't worry about losing. Okay, just understand that everything is part of the process. All right, losing, winning, everything is part of the process. We learn throughout every mistake we take. And right now, you're actually in this community, right? Okay, every loss, if we get one lah, okay, we will identify together, we will learn together, we will understand why potentially it was a loss, what did we miss. That way, next time when the same opportunity comes, we won't miss it. Okay, don't worry. Let me see. Thanks for explaining. Yes, yes, MC very easy to understand. Even non-trader as of now, every time they get a chance, make me predict. Wow, I'm so happy for you, Durga. This is so nice to hear. Congrats. You say you can predict already. I want to see your prediction. Please share in the group whenever you find any prediction. Huh? I'm looking forward to yours. Huh? Okay. So far, Casper shared his predictions. And then Chicken Little, I really like your name. Amazing name. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay. A few of you have been sharing. I'm very happy. Okay. All of you guys just share. This is what a trading community should be like. Okay. I want to see your predictions. Don't care, right or wrong. That's not the thing. We are all learning. And remember, trading is a Rubik's Cube concept. I always say this. If I say I think market will go up, you say market will go down, it doesn't mean you are right or wrong. It doesn't mean I am right or wrong. Okay, we are always able to bridge that gap. Okay, and understand. Okay, why you think going up, why you think going down. Right? We can learn a lot of learning opportunity, guys. Okay, you just have to start with us. That's amazing. Yes, yes, I'm also happy to hear that. Okay, understood. Thank you, coach. Thank you, coach. Thank you so much, Kay. Okay, don't worry, we need to wait, okay? Very easy thing for me to just explain, okay, so that you'll be able to, how to say, be careful, lah, okay, in training is this, okay? You see these sessions, right? Asia, London, okay, and then New York, lah. Okay, maybe I showed you yesterday one, then you can see three. This one, okay? Asia, London, New York. All right. I'm not saying we only have these three sessions, huh? All right. This is not what I'm saying. Actually, we have a few others also. Okay, but this is the main ones. These three. Okay. Always do your best to try to identify who is in control. For me, buyers are control here. Okay, just because I understand certain liquidity area has been swept, and then buyers came in. Okay, potential entry model, this was mitigation. Okay, this is a beautiful entry model. All right, below this low. Okay, 1 to 3. The reason is because I'm able to identify buyers are in control. Okay, now we're going to London. The moment another session comes in, don't stick to your initial buyers. That buyers are in control. Okay, wait and see. But if buyers are still in control, they will show you. Trust me, they will show you their power. They will show you, hey, I'm still here. Okay? You must identify and be able to see is sellers now coming in, buyers are coming in. You must be able to see that. Okay? Buyers show their presence only towards the end of London session here. If you are confused, Guna, how are you seeing this? You will learn. You're already in the community, you will learn. Okay? I will teach. I recorded I think it was an hour plus video, in-depth video, whereby I break down certain things. Sorry guys, wait. Ayo, I don't know, I'm getting sick or not lah. God save me, God. Okay, I broke down an in-depth video, okay? It's a bit an hour like that. All of you guys will have access to that, okay? For those that have joined the community, okay? I followed the terms, okay? I will be sharing it with you guys, and then you guys can actually just learn it. Okay, once you guys learn, please give me feedback. Ask me questions. I will help to identify to the point you won't be confused about anything that I teach there. All right. You guys will gain access to that very soon. The video is ready. It's only one part series, huh? We have quite a few, huh? Okay. Okay, so this is where buyers show their presence again. Okay. Again, don't worry, you will learn how to see. But there is no opportunity to enter here. I would not enter here. I cannot see any form of clear mitigation for me to enter in this area now. All right. So this would not have been an entry. This would have been a break-even trade. If you ask me why, This is the mitigation. Okay, the moment I see this green, okay, this would have been my entry. Stop below this low. You see, I'll be honest with you. I'm not here to cheat you guys or lie anything. This is, I want to build genuine traders. Okay, I that need to start with how I teach also. See, the moment, hey, my cat, hello, my cat, hello, don't play with my light, my cat. Okay, the moment this is my entry, okay, the trade comes up to here, this would have been my BE. I would have set BE. For those that don't know what BE means, BE basically means break even. Okay, that means if this was my SL will literally be either on the same entry point, but I won't put same entry point. I put a little bit higher. Okay, at least you feel a little bit better. When price hits it, at least still got profit a bit. Okay, but don't put this in your mind. Okay, I never put this in my mind that it has to happen like that. I'm okay with just seeing zero. I just like a little bit of profit lah. You give your time for the trade. Right? Takkan you don't want to take little bit also. Okay, the moment it goes up here, actually you can just close also. Up to you. All right. There's no right or wrong trading. Okay, remember that. No right or wrong. So you see, I would have get break even here because see suddenly this trade went down. But at the same time, this doesn't mean a bad thing. Okay? Because this is a very good example of why I said always see who is in control in which session. This is London. Buyers show their presence. The moment New York comes in, you see not a different person is in control. That is why wait and understand. That is why I cannot give my prediction right now. Because my intraday style is like that. I wait and see who is in control, then I will give you my analysis. That is what we did last week. For those that joined the live trading session, right? We wait and identify who is in control, what is being respected, what is being disrespected. That is how we manage to earn the buy and sell opportunity. Okay? For those that join the community, you guys will be in the next live session now. Okay, we will announce that. Okay, our admins, amazing admins, will be informing you guys. Okay, so basically now I see if this is sellers or not. I repeat this. Okay, just to identify. Give me a moment, guys. Okay, this is certain point. Okay, what is this high? 98323.7. This is 98328. Yeah, this is it. Just barely sweep this one. Barely sweep. Okay, but still it's count. Alright. Got two lines here. I'm sorry. Let me remove this one for now. See? Can you see? Price went above. Sweep this liquidity. And then we're seeing reaction. This is form of showing what? Sellers are in control. Can you see buyers here, sellers here? As I said, we have to wait and see in each session who is in control. We cannot move the market. We know this, okay? See this here? This is mitigation. This would have been a nice entry, okay? If you were to enter here, stops above, TP, 1, 2, 3, let me see, where are you? 1, 2, 3, again, remember, I must say it again and again and again, okay? I'll say it again, all right? When I say 1, 2, 3, 1 to 2, okay? You don't have to follow me, all right? You can put 1 to 1. You are still a trader. Don't put below 1 to 1, okay? Then we must have a talk already. You can put 1 to 1. You can put 1 to 3. You can put 1 to 7. You can put 1 to 8. It depends on your own trading strategy. It depends on what you see the market and how you see it move, okay? It depends. It's not you have to put 1 to 3 if I put 1 to 3. You have to put 1 to 2 because I put 1 to 2. This is my own SOP, my own trading strategy. All right? Don't restrict yourself too much, okay? Just want you guys to know that. Okay lah. Never mind. Don't restrict. I put 1 to 2. How's that? No, I put 1 to 2.5. How's that? Okay. I do take 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. This is my average, right? See, okay lah. 1 to 2.5 already taken out already. See how high you go back up. We're already out of the trade by now. See, new session. Okay, new session already comes in. Forget about this. Okay, I mean, forget about it means do not put in your mind sellers are in control. Okay, put in your mind that sellers were in control. This is an area now that potentially price will be going back to. All right, just remember that. So we see lah if you go back or not. Then so you go back into the area. See, okay. All of these things are guys. It's not rocket science. It's not guessing. It's just when you keep seeing the chart, you keep analyzing, you keep trading, you will learn. You'll be able to identify and see it. Sometimes very easy, like this one was very easy to see, okay, but sometimes not that easy, and it's okay. When it's not easy, okay, I ask you guys a question lah. When it's not easy to see who is in control, what you guys should do, okay? You guys just answer in the chat. Otherwise, I will give you my answer. All right. Let me answer some questions. See, there's a few more. Sorry, guys. Wait. What happened to me? Okay, I think because I've been talking almost 2 hours already. Okay. Yeah. Okay, wait, hold on. Yeah, you guys answer. If you guys are not able to identify who is in control, what should we do? Let me see. Thank you for the insight, Coach Kuna. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you for asking me the question. Your question will help not only me learn, but everybody else here. So thank you for asking the question. Teacher, which session would you suggest to focus more on? I usually focus more on New York session as I notice the volumes are much higher. Correct. Okay. Yes, I agree. Okay. I cannot say which one I usually focus on. Okay. Sometimes I trade Asia, sometimes I trade London. But if you ask me average, right, I trade London and New York. These two. Okay. If I'm not going out anywhere, if I wake up early for Asia, okay. But London usually, if I'm not going out anywhere, I will trade. Okay, because when I trade, okay, my own SOP, I need to be in my home office, which is this area lah. I need to be here. Okay, I want to sit in my laptop, so I have a bigger screen. I don't like to take trades off my phone, okay, because it usually never ends up well for me. I got certain SOP even for me to take a trade. Okay, all of these things are set based on my experience, like what happened before and all that. Okay, so that's why these things, if I can meet, then only I will trade. But usually London and New York is the time that I trade. New York usually lah. Okay, because most of the time by night I'm usually at home already. Okay. In terms of volume, for forex, right? For those that trade forex, and also for those that traded like NQES, Asia session, Asia's session. Wow, it's become a tongue twister. Asia session. Okay, they tend to have consolidation or sideways. All right, but I realized for crypto, what I really love trading in crypto, if you see Asia, right, you see the volume. This is considered good volume. It's moving. At least it's moving. Okay. See again this one. Let's see another Asian one. Look at this. See how much to move. Look, insane. There's always opportunity in crypto. That's what I start to realize. There's always opportunity in crypto, which is why it's very nice to trade crypto. So previously I only trade New York, okay, because I usually free at night. And then nowadays when I start crypto, I got trade Asia like we did last week. And then but majority of my time is London and New York. I focus on these two majority of my time. Okay. Volumes for crypto, I cannot say which one have more. Sometimes London don't have much. You see this one, London, you can see it. It's not really moving so much, but Asia did move a lot more than London. London literally didn't manage to take out either Asia high or Asia low. It is still in the middle. Okay? Yeah, so volume wise for crypto depends on. Asia also sometimes have a lot. How to set BE? Okay. You're trading from Bitunix, right? If you're trading from Bitunix, if you use a laptop, okay, you can literally drag your SL. Okay, when you place a trade, maybe I can just show you guys an example. Let me trade Okay, see, I put a buy here. Okay, simply, don't worry. This is just for an example. Okay, you see, my SL, right? Let's say I set my SL here. Okay, for bid Unix, same thing. You can just drag it above. All right, you can literally drag it above your SL. If you use for phone to trade from phone, which I don't really recommend, okay, because it's good to trade from a laptop lah. You guys get better view. Okay, but if you are, they will have an option where you have to tick. It says TP and SL. When you tick the box, they will show their numbers where you want to write. Where is your TP? Where is your SL? You need to change your SL number based on what you see here. Okay, let's say if price came here, what's this? 97745, right? 745.1.4 97745.4. You just have to write in the new SL number there, okay, and then update the trade. That's how your SL will be set to be lah. Okay, but I highly recommend you guys to use laptop because it's easier and faster. Okay, you guys can just drag your SL. Okay. I always said be a little bit higher than my entry point to cover trading. Smart, very smart. Okay, yes, you guys should. Okay, very smart actually. Yeah, good. This is what you should do. Always drag your SL a bit higher, guys, so you actually really won't lose anything. Okay, it's very smart. Can I put 1 to 100? 1 to 100. Can you explain a bit further? 1 to 100? Not trade. Not trade. Wow, 1 to 100 can actually be a swing trader and have enough capital to support. 1 to 100, why? I didn't understand what is that. 1 to 100. Can you guys explain to me? So it's SL change to B level, guys. Yes, correct. Again, don't micromanage. Okay. Last time, okay, I was told when trade reached 30%, 40% of your entry point, then only you set. Don't have this mindset all very much. Okay, you set B whenever you want. Okay, you take out profit whenever you want. All right, you are an individual trader. Okay, you trade based on your own SOP, based on your own strategy, based on your own terms. As long you come out profitable, you are a trader. Okay, don't micromanage your trade. Okay, don't ever feel if this one, let's say the trade right now is still in the red side, right? Okay, but we're coming into New York, guys, now. Okay, it comes here, you choose to take out your trade, then later the trade goes all the way up here, don't feel bad. Okay, like right now you see live trade. I mean live example, not live trade. We didn't enter this now. Okay, this is just showing you guys example. We cannot predict what the future is. That is traders. We are not supposed to be able to confirm the future, but we can give our analysis based on what price is telling us. You see, sellers show their control here. That's why price is moving down. Why we predict actually it's good to go for a buy is because this was initially a buyer zone. See, buyers show their presence here and they were very strong to push price up. Price now came into their fair value gap and mitigated the fair value gap, almost filled it up. Okay, so what are we looking when we see in the bigger picture? See, when we zoom out, what are we looking at? See, we're looking at this. What is this guy? See, up, down. Okay, what foundation of a structure is this? Bullish, right? See, sorry guys, okay, put here. Okay, see, what foundation is this? Bullish. Potentially, we're gonna see this potential only. Okay, always humble yourself and remind yourself it is okay if you're not sure, if you cannot predict the future. It's okay. We are not superheroes. We are traders. We are our own superhero. Okay. So you see, potentially if price comes all the way up here and then you close, later it goes up here, don't feel bad. Okay. We cannot confirm anything. Anything you're trading, you cannot confirm. Just feel happy you are trading. Oh, sorry, I accidentally deleted this. I should delete the arrow. Okay. Let me see, guys. I think I was referring to the risk to reward. Oh, 1 to 100. Can you put? Why cannot? Hiya, come I show you 1 to 100 is how. Today we play a bit. Let me see. Where can I put? Okay, we put here. So this one. Okay, this is your SL. Wow, see, if can or not 1 to 100, I also don't know. This is also only 43. 86. What is this? 97. Okay, can lah, roughly here lah. No problem. Go for it. I support you, man. Go, 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 go. You got it. You are now in profit. If this was your entry point, you're in profit now. Good job. Okay, remember said to be this will be 1 to 100. Hey, you guys see me joking around, huh? It doesn't mean people never take 1 to 100, huh? Okay, there are traders in a single trade, if I'm not mistaken, they made billions of dollars. Okay, one trade made them billions of dollars. So imagine how much is that? Maybe 1 to 100, who knows? I don't know. But if you reach 1 to 100, please teach me. I want to learn also. So is SH yes? Okay, I think it's referring to yes. So I said not trade because you asked question what to do. Okay, Durga, correct. Yes, your answer is correct. Okay, not trade. I also learned this very powerful thing by another trader. Okay, he said about what is it? He said if you cannot find liquidity, you are potentially the liquidity. Okay, so do not try your best to not be the liquidity. Okay, if you are liquidity, the market maker will see it, he will go and take it. Okay, your liquidity basically is your asset. Like for example, see this example we give, right? Okay, for this trading example, this is our liquidity. If it goes below this, it takes up our trade. Basically, our money go to them. Okay, so that's why do not be the liquidity. If you are not able to identify where the liquidity is, do not trade. Wait. We already know. Okay, we have 3 sessions. There is no way in a single session you cannot identify who is in control. There is no way. It's never been done. Every session we are always able to identify who is in control. Somebody will come. Okay, there is no session where we don't have volume, we don't have movement. Never did. There always is volume, there's always movement. Even on weekend, guys, it's slower, but there is volume. You see the trade that we did last week one, right? For those that actually earn, again, congratulations. We trade on weekend, what? Go volume, what? If no volume, how you want to trade? So don't worry. If Asia session you cannot see anybody in control, wait. We got another 2 more sessions. If London you cannot see, then wait. No way New York don't have. New York is very strong. New York always have one. So just wait and see. So right now you see we're entering New York. New York is what? 10 more minutes, Okay. 10 more minutes. So you see, the sellers guys, they are still pushing price down. Okay. So far in this fair value gap zone, they are winning now. Okay. To be fair, they never fill up the fair value gap yet. I make this darker, then you guys can soon see what I'm saying. You see this line here? Okay. The end of the dark line, okay, the box, okay. This is the fair value gap being filled. All right. If they fill this up and then they start to move upwards, right? I still wouldn't 100% go into the trade yet because we are going into New York session. New York session is 9:30. Okay, later we see how it moves. Okay, see, guys, see. Now it fill up already. Okay, see, it go below SL already. All right, it go below SL. Is it disrespecting or not? This one. Right now, this fair value gap is considered filled. Okay, there is no gap here anymore. You see this rejection? Let's see. Wait, let me try to identify if I can see any liquidity area around here. Hold on. There is no form of liquidity area here. Okay, there is a order block here. Okay, there's no form of liquidity that I can see that is significant to us right now. But there is an order block here. Okay, so now let me erase this one so you don't confuse you. Oh no, mind, I keep it first because I only got a few boxes here, right? Okay, this one I can erase. This one not relevant already. This one is just an example. Change this to order block. Again, if you guys wondering how I draw order block or anything, episode 1, watch the video after the live. You guys can teach people already. All right. After I gain the 100, I will come back to you, teacher. Please come back, teach me. Okay, let me teach everybody. Okay, 1 to 100. I know you can. Okay, so you see, guys, see the order block. What do you do? Huh? Yes, better not trade. If there's no opportunity, because it could be market manipulation. Yes, I sometimes face this too. See no opportunity, but still trade. End up normal, normal, normal. I think every trader also got that. Okay, I call it itchy finger because we want to press buy or sell every day. If you never press buy or sell one day, it means we are not trading. Yes, we are not trading, and it's okay. Okay, if there's no opportunity, why you gonna trade? Okay, okay. So you see how beautifully it came to the order block, and then now we're seeing a rejection. Okay, but again, don't see this trade just to enter because of the order block. Okay, like I said, wait, New York session coming in. Best sellers we were correct, they were here. Okay, they didn't came and mitigate this area or anything yet. All right, we just wait and see who's in control. Okay, wait, I guess one moment. Guys, I go collect more water and come back. Okay, you guys just see the trade. 6 minutes, New York session open. Let's see if we can find an opportunity in our live here. All right. Okay guys, so how? Macam mana? 2 more minutes, huh? Let's see. Okay, so what are we identifying? 15-minute has been swept. Just remember this, huh? When price sweeps liquidity, okay, they have power. I in episode 2, okay, I give you guys a very easy breakdown about liquidity and what actually potentially will do. Okay, please watch episode 2. If can, watch episode 1, 2, and 3 lah. Okay, they are all one trading strategy that will become a very powerful one. Okay, you literally can trade just after using episode 1, 2, and 3. That's basically what I'm usually showing you guys also, like right now, all this fair value gap, the order block, all of this is based on episode 1, 2, and 3. Again, for those that join the community, you guys will get a more in-depth video later on. I will send, okay, to you guys, so you guys can watch it. Please remember to ask me question, huh? Okay, guys, almost 9:30 AD. 1 more minute. Again, it's not like we will enter straight away lah. Okay, we need to see who is in control. Takkan one candle in New York session we can already see. You see this one also in London session, we able to identify true control only here. Okay, this one also no, this one is not true control because it's been disrespected, but this was true control of sellers. That's why sellers showing their presence here. Okay, just now as you guys see, we captured this live before this move down. Okay, you guys will learn how to do this. See, to not let us confuse, okay, we remove this order block first. Right now, order block, this fair value gap, all not important right now. Okay, this one can leave because this one is empty. Now we focus on liquidity because we want to see who is in control. Just understand 15-minute liquidity has been taken out already. Okay. Another thing as traders, right? I shared this a few times in my live session. For those that are new, I want to share again. Okay. Never only stand your bias towards one side of the market. Okay, we know we have two sides of the market, buyers and sellers. Always humble yourself. That's why I always say this, always humble yourself. Remind yourself we don't have power to move the market. Okay, market maker only can move the markets. All right, so market maker can make it move either up or down. Okay, it can go against our analysis also. That's why I always try to analysis both sides. I always mark out liquidities either towards the upside and the downside. All right, because I always want to be ready and understand which way the market maker is going to move towards, so I can be able to capitalize on that. All right, always give a percentage. For buy side, I have a 70% prediction that it will go up. To the sell side, I only have a 30% prediction. Okay, but in my live session, okay, 2 times the things that I predicted 30% is the one where the market moved towards to. Okay, so you see, even though 30% is still powerful, is still valid. All right, always give percentages to your trading analysis. Okay, don't just stick to one. Oh, confirm die. I want to see it go by. Hey, I cannot say this word now in Chinese. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Okay, cannot say this word, guys. Chinese New Year tomorrow. Chap told me. Last day already said why. It's sad. Tomorrow I'll be celebrating also. Okay, for those that are celebrating Chinese New Year, happy Chinese New Year to you guys. If you guys never heard me say it in my previous life, happy Chinese New Year to you. Guys, 9:32 already. Okay, New York session is here. To see a move, See this one, when will the move roughly? This one roughly 9:40, we saw a stronger move up. This one what? The same around 9:40, we saw a strong move up. Okay, potentially maybe we'll be seeing another 10 minutes now. Okay. Later I need to go 99 so far, but I want to buy coffee. I want to try something new. That's why I want to go and buy. I don't usually buy one. Usually I just order from the shop. But I want to try something new. Very exciting. Okay, but guys, let me just analyze a little bit more in the bigger time frame just to make sure I never miss out anything. Okay, so that we can be able to identify who is in control a bit better. Okay, you guys enjoy the music first, Okay, guys, this is share a bit on bigger time frame analysis, right? I cannot really find any other major liquidity areas that are nearby, but price already swept the 15-minute liquidity area, okay, and also swiped the H1 liquidity area. And then I just drew this also, okay, because potentially in the H1, right, we may be seeing price will be going back into this. Sorry, I cannot say will. I keep saying the word will. Okay, there's no will in trading. There's just potentially. Okay, price potentially will be hitting inside of this fair value gap lah. Okay, that has been created in the bigger time frame. Okay, for now on, okay, initially buyers were here present, so usually based on where the buyers and sellers, right, the powers, right, where they step like their footprints, okay, whoever is next in control usually will go back to that zone. So that's why I say don't remove these zones. Just remember how to identify them, and then we'll be able to use them, okay, as potential target zones. You see, that's why sellers were showing here. So since they already stepped their footprint already, they will go and step back the buyers, step on them. So this is the buyers. So they came in, okay, they stepped on the buyers already. Price swept is to liquidity, but again, I cannot see a bit more clearer liquidity areas being swept and where price is actually showing any form of reaction yet. Okay, but again, only two candles so far. We have to wait for a while some more. Okay. So you see here, in M1, what I start to realize, okay, price also respected this fair value gap. So filled and then pushed down. Okay, so this is nothing significant. This is just showing you guys that the sellers were actually in control. They were showing that they're actually still pushing price down, but don't know for how long yet because liquidity areas has been swept already right now. We go to H1, yeah, very beautiful sweep. Okay, this one in 22 minutes, some of the candle will close lah. Okay, so you see in H1 also, just for you guys to keep in mind lah, okay? Because you guys are all like traders, right? Okay, so I just share with you guys. You see, this one price move up, right? Okay, now potentially we're seeing a move down. Okay, if price breaks right this line here, this straight line here, okay, potentially we'll be seeing price go into this fair value gap zone. Okay, based on how it reacts here, that is where we can identify either price will be moving towards the upside if it respects it. If it disrespect, then just flip this around and be moving towards the downside lah. Hence going to this buyer side liquidity. Okay, just something for you guys to keep aware of lah. Okay, take note of, not keep aware of. There's no such term as that. Take note of. Okay guys, give me a few minutes. I just want to head out for Rogers to the store to get something. Okay, I just need to see a little bit more candle, at least I don't know by 9:45, 9:50, 10 p.m. Then we can start to see a little bit more of candle reaction because I'm not seeing any candle reaction now, and literally now only two candles now. To be fair, we're only seeing two candles now. Okay, so we just wait a while. Okay, I'll be back to you guys. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, you guys enjoy the music first until I'm gone. Okay.
pretty good.
Hi guys, hello, hello. Oh my god, see, it's a short day. Remember when we said, this H1 potentially price will be going towards 2? Look at it. Oh my god. Okay, let me see. Let me see. There's no, I'll be honest. Okay, to enter here for short, you guys can. Okay, but don't hold for so long. Even though we can already draw this out and then we set price potentially will be going here. Okay, let me see. Okay, all of this liquidity is no longer important because it doesn't respect any of them. Okay, so based on this price is heading towards the H1 fair value gap lah that we drew here, guys. Crazy, yeah, crazy. Oh my god. Lao sai. Oh, insane, man, insane. Let me see. Wait, yeah, wow, Casper, awesome. You guys seeing in the group. Congrats, man. You went for sale. Good job. Good job. Good job. Awesome. Okay, okay, guys, just look out for the fair value gap that we drew here. Okay, just look out for this. Okay, so remember our initial analysis whereby we said bears are here. Okay, correct lah. Bears are here. They push price ready. Okay, this fair value gap. Okay, this one has been filled. This one is not relevant already anymore. Right now, we just focus on this fair value gap zone lah. Okay, basically this zone here. We said it will most probably it may come to this zone, but I didn't think it will come now itself lah. This is insane lah. I never expected this strong of a push lah. Okay. Okay, see guys, still early, don't worry. New York still early. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6 candles only. Don't worry. We need a bit of candles to identify who is actually in control. See like this? Okay, we're able to identify here. Alright. So don't worry, we still have chance to identify this. Okay. But potentially I'll be ending the live session first, okay? But I will keep looking at the markets and then I will give you guys screenshots and analysis and also potential entry models all that for you guys to enter this trade, okay? Casper, congratulations for entering a sell for this one. Congrats. I just came back from the store and then suddenly I see the market. Wow. What? Amazing lah, this move, guys. All okay. Another thing I have to keep in mind, okay, just to share with you guys, okay, all of this liquidity, okay, all of this liquidity has been swept. Just keep that in mind, all right. Whoever after this will be moving the market has a lot of funding power, all right. Just know this, okay. These are all just things you have to be aware of, all right. Even though we identified this, okay, just know that, okay. See what we will be looking at after price takes out this fair value gap. Is M1 also, did I see anything? Did you see anything M1? M1 also just a very strong push down, guys. It disrespected all of the liquidity area. He wanted to go to this fair value gap here. Price really wanted to go to this fair value gap here. Okay. Okay, just know this, if price comes into this zone, okay, respects this fair value gap, and we're starting to see bulls come in, these are the liquidity areas that you can aim for, okay? Okay, at least London high, okay? But whenever you guys choose to just exit the trade, it is fine, okay? There is no TNC or requirement for you guys how when to enter, when to exit. Enter, yes lah, exit whenever you guys feel like it, just exit lah. Okay, whichever you guys feel comfortable. All right, don't restrict your trading that much. Okay, see guys how price will react at least to this zone. Okay, the line that I draw here. See what price will do. All right, let me confirm this. Okay, put it up a bit. Okay, here. Okay, just confirm this. See what will happen here, guys. All right. I pull this above. All right, beautiful move, this one. Let me try to find if there are any other significant liquidity areas that I have to look up. It's another fair value gap here that price is currently in. Okay, it's another fair value gap here. Okay, there's a form of liquidity 15 minutes that has been swept here, guys, right now. Okay, this is a 15 minutes liquidity. Okay, price already tapped inside of a fair value gap. All right. Again, now we can potentially start to see some sort of reaction because price already tapped inside. Like I said, price not necessarily have to fill it up. Price not necessarily have to go to mitigation. Okay, price already tapped inside our fair value gap right now. This is the only form of liquidity, guys, I can see so far. If you guys are wondering, like, why am I changing up time frames, right? Nothing special. Okay, it's not a specific strategy. It's nothing like that. It's just I'm trying to get more clarity in what I'm seeing. That's all. Okay. If you guys are thinking if you guys should do that also, okay, it depends. Okay, it's not a SOP. It's just me. I trying to find more clarity in what I'm seeing. That's all. All right. Okay, you see guys, after this liquidity being swept and then price actually tapped into the fair value gap, we're seeing this rejection. Okay, again, a big two little candles to give a prediction right now. All right. I'm still not seeing who is in control yet. Okay, so far the sellers from London is still pushing price down. Okay, so I will just wait and see to see if there are any footprints or not of buyers or sellers coming in, and then we will identify which is the areas for us to potentially look for either buy or sell opportunity. Okay. Okay, I think I will end today's session here first so that I can focus more and then just keep on looking at the chart to really see who is actually in control. Thank you so much for everybody who is joining, for those that have asked questions. Casper, congratulations to you. You've been killing it recently. Okay, especially about this short opportunity. Thank you so much. Guys, please do feel free to join in. Okay, take trades, share it inside the community, share your predictions. Okay, I love to see all of this. Okay, this one gives me a sense of what we are trying to build. We are actually getting there, basically genuine traders. Okay, all of you guys are part of that journey, and I appreciate all of you giving me your time also, joining this live trading session and analysis with me. All right, stay tuned to the Discord community. Later, I will be sharing once we start to really find out who will be in control here. Will it still be sellers, still be buyers? If sellers, where potentially we may be heading to. Buyers means, okay, like really marked out. Okay, we have a fair value gap here. We have a H1 liquidity here. This is also a fair value gap in H1. Oh, sorry. This is also H1. Fair value gap here. All right. So you guys will be notified lah. For those that are interested, please feel free to join us. Okay, there will be a Google form link where you guys can register in the description, and then you guys can reach out to me. Let me know you already registered. Yeah, I will pass you guys on to our admins, and then they will just brief you guys about the terms or certain rules that you guys have to follow. And basically, just like be active in a group like that lah. All right. So if you're interested, please fill in the Google form link, which will be in the description below, and I will see you guys in the community very soon. Thank you everybody for giving me your time today. I hope it was an insightful one as it was for me. All right, have a wonderful and amazing day. Take care, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's live stream. Okay, goodbye.